Welcome back to Endless Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer tickets on Ticketek. Let's begin. Now, let me tell you, transferring tickets on Ticketek is a very easy and a straightforward process. Now, for example, you're looking forward to a specific concert or any event in particular. For example, you're heading to the Edinburgh versus United on Manchester United versus the Rangers FC. All right. Now, I wanted to watch this ticket or this event rather. Sorry, to one of your friends, colleague, partner, and you wanted to look for specific tickets or nearby seller. So this is gonna be the best available any price. That's gonna be 26.95 category 1, category 2, so you can check on it. All right. Now, if you wanted to go probably to the most expensive, which is going to be in the category 1, you select that, and you're going to be getting 2 tickets. That's going to be for yourself and for your someone you're going to watch this one to, or gonna give transfer this ticket to. All I'm gonna do is click on the next, because you need to choose a delivery option. It's going to be a mobile ticket via SMS, or if you wanted to have a physical, like a ticket pass, you can choose the print at home PDF. But I suggest you go for the mobile ticket. Just wait for it to load. Now, here are some details that you might want to consider, and of course we didn't understand, so there's no like misinformation once you finally proceed to the last process, which is going to be the checkout. Okay, if you're happy with it, all I'm going to do is hover down below where it says go to checkout. Click on it. Now, once you're here, you can simply drop down the menu. If you want to review the order, click on this button right here. Now, once you are happy with it, all I'm gonna do is go to the payment section, pay for it via your credit or debit card, or you can use some of the bank card that you have. After that, you would receive a verification email that the process has been successfully transferred or completed. Go to the hamburger menu here at the upper right corner and click on your order history. Okay, just give it a few seconds. And from here, you would be able to see the tickets that you have recently purchased. There's going to be an option here that says transfer. And all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Put the name of the recipient, such as email address, complete name as much as possible. And of course, the mobile number or the contact number. After that, I also will suggest you go to the mobile ticket sharing, because this is one of the best way for you to have an understanding on how things work for the mobile ticket sharing here on Ticketek. Okay, so I need you to go here, read and understand all of the information. And again, you can visit your order history through the Ticketek mobile app if you have it on your mobile device. Now, the ticket receiver has 48 hours to accept the ticket share. All right, it's going to be a link via SMS or an email. If it goes unaccepted, you will receive a notification, obviously, and the ticket will be available in your order history once again. Okay? And obviously, if you encounter any problems transferring your tickets here in the Ticketek platform, okay, all you're gonna do is search for the request type below and provide as much as information as you can, and one of the support staff will be give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to successfully transfer tickets on your account here on Ticketek. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.